Good evening, everyone. So today I'm going to record a special edition about the stock market crash that is wiping out most of world's equity right now due to Trump's tariff on so many different countries. So for now, let's check out the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So this for past few days, for past few weeks, in fact since it began here, it has been on a past very big downward momentum here. So for past few weeks, it has been going down. So it should be reaching this 200 week EMA soon. So right now, because this is a lagging chart, right now it is already here. So there should be another big candles somewhere here, nearing here. So for now, the past few weeks losses is accumulating and it's going to get worse. So as you can see here, we can check out the daily chart. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, this is the daily chart. Last Friday it has been quite a bloody day, so they are going to expect a Black Monday. Why do you think it is going down for now? Because as you can see here, if I zoom everything out, since 2023, this uptrend has been ongoing strongly. It has never touched or reached anywhere below this EMA until here. As you can see here, right now it has flattened out. Okay, let's open it up. Here, when it reached here, instead of continuing going upwards, it has flattened out. So this is a very dangerous sign. The market make a double top. Then when it breaks down, this is a support level. And then this is a neckline. So when the neckline area, it should be an area, not really a line. So when it breaks down here and then goes back up, but fail to break, create a new higher high, then it crash. It goes a very long time, in fact, a few months. When it goes down all the way down, break and below this 200-day EMA, when it breaks below and it tries to rebound back into this zone, it fails to break through this zone and then now is coming down very strongly. So right now it is already here, 38,200 level or 300 level at now. The future shows that it's going to go down for another 1,000 points. So it's likely that next probable support is somewhere here, I think. This is a support area, and this is also support area. So this area should be the next support area, somewhere here. So it should be going downwards, hit this one, then a rebound back to here, and then maybe a few more times, then crash down again. Because whenever it touch this 200 EMA, it should have a rebound, as you can see from the past. See, every time when it breaks below here, bounce back, break and bounce, break down, fail to bounce back, but then still bounce above. So right now, unless you're this one, this is a temporary down at this point. I think this is an insurrection era, I think. So it breaks down here and then has quite a gloomy few months time or almost a year here when it breaks down. And for a while at that time, you can see that the EMA actually points downwards, is on a pullback, serious pullback after this giant move up here. Then it has a serious pullback here. See? Over here. This giant move after the pandemic recovery has a giant move upwards. Very big move upwards. And then there's a move downwards here. A small pullback for a few months, a year, almost a year. And then after that, continues all the way up, as you can see. Right here, after the pullback here, the 1 year pullback. It goes all the way up. So is it going to be another 1 year pullback? Is it possible? It might be. So for now, we are not sure. What we are seeing is somewhere here when the giant drop, or here, maybe here. And you look at the red candles, serious red candles here. So this is just a small blip in the bigger picture. After it has gone up from 2023 all the way up here, after this, when it breaks above this one, this trend line, it sort of like have a consolidation period, then continues upwards. When it consolidates, after this consolidation, it moves all the way upwards here. Now it's pulling back. So is it possible that there's another move downwards, maybe back to this consolidation zone or somewhere here? It might be. It's already, as you can see, it's already here. So if it continues downwards, it might find a support and then goes back up. Do you think it's possible? Okay, so this is the Dow Jones in the longer term period, as you can see. So what should you do during these kind of giant moves downwards? Do you sell it, all your stocks, or do you want to hold on to it and average down? So in my opinion, whenever I trade, I will cut my losses if I'm suffering losses. Like this one, when it breaks below, I'm looking to short the market instead of buying. So like here, when it breaks downwards, this failed a rejection. When there's a rejection, it's most likely to continue downwards. As you can see, it has already down to this level. So expect a slight bounce back upwards, maybe. Slight bounce, then it will continue downward. So during this time, I'm looking to, if there's a bounce back upwards, it's a very good place to either exit your position, or if you are trying to earn some money, you can short the market when there's a bounce like this kind of bounce. So if you are trying to make exit your position, your losing position, wait for the bounce and exit. Don't wait for the momentum to dice down. Whenever there's a strong big candles going upwards, like this kind, then you sell it out, cut your loss, and wait for better opportunities. So let's see the SPY S&P 500. So as you can see, it's quite similar to the Dow Jones, in fact. Yes, better trend line, as you can see here. Better trends, very nice trend. The pullback, as we have discussed earlier, you can see it's more clearer than the Dow Jones. This is the uptrend, as you can see, very nice uptrend. So this is uptrend, and now it has broken down again. So we expect some kind of pullback. Maybe it will just pull back all the way. There's a small, maybe 1 or 2 bounce back, and then all continue downwards. When the momentum starts slowing down here, you can enter here when the momentum slows down. Not really at this level, maybe lower, maybe 4,000 plus. I'm not sure. Just wait for the momentum to slow down. For now, the momentum is very strong towards the downside. So do not try to catch the falling knife here. It's quite dangerous. You might cut yourself. So try not to enter here or and try to ride any rallies, because rallies won't work. As you can see here, if you're trying to ride the rally here, and when it falls back down, it really falls quite a lot, and you have to hold it for a few months time. Not worth the time, in fact. So just try to exit whenever there's a possible, and like this kind of, if it goes back up, then try to exit your losing position. If it goes back down, then look to short it. Wait for it to go back all the way down. All you have to do is wait for momentum to slow down and exit. As you can see, an example of it is here. You can see the momentum here when the long big candles here, and it slows down to smaller candles. Okay, and the longer the wick and the smaller candles, it means the momentum is slowing down. So you can just buy somewhere here and then go back up, but not per se here, because this is it has a rejection here. It's coming down, so it's most probably have a serious move downwards, maybe a small rally, but don't buy into those rally. You're going to lose a lot of money doing that. So okay, let's see the Nasdaq futures. The futures for Nasdaq is also deadly. As you can see, very deadly. Nasdaq has been more volatile than any other index. So any component stocks within the Nasdaq is a bit risky, especially with the new tariffs and everything. Things are going to get more expensive in the US. And yeah, Hang Seng just dropped 3,000 plus points today. There's a 13% drop for Hang Seng. So if you read my previous, saw my previous videos, I did mention that the Hang Seng is on a strong uptrend and that it is quite dangerous and might be pull back soon. As you can see here, this week has started with a serious red candle, a serious pullback. In fact, if you can see the past 2 weeks momentum has been slowing down. This is where I would have exited if I'm in the Hang Seng Index, if I'm a bull in the Hang Seng Index. So for now, it is on a downtrend. So most probably it will try to find support somewhere either here or here. We can only guess where it might go to, but let the chart tell us whenever there's a slow in momentum like this kind. When the momentum slows down, this is where we might enter if the condition is right. So don't touch any stocks for now. It's very dangerous. Just try to wait it out. If you have a cut loss, you want to cut loss, wait for a rebound before cutting your loss. So this is the Hang Seng Index futures. So it's dropping down for the weekly chart. Weekly chart is showing that it's going on the way down. The Nikkei 225 is also going down. It has break below. It has find support here. In fact, this is a support area, as you can see here. This is a current price for today. Means it has reached here because this is a lagging chart. So this will keep track of where it is at the moment. So it has reached here. It has broken below the 200-day EMA, a 200-week EMA. So it has broken down. Most probably this EMA will flatten out, and then it will sort of like make some kind of consolidation before either going down or going up. Either way. So Bitcoin has been as my previous, I think it's a short video that I made on that the Bitcoin is on a downward spiral downwards, and it's going to continue downwards. It won't be any rebound for the moment until it reaches 60,000, maybe 70,000 level. Because this is the possible support area, so it might go all the way down here as well. So we'll see. Just don't touch Bitcoin at the moment. It might continue all the way down. Gold is momentum is slowing down for the weekly. So take note, if this momentum turns red, as my previous video I've already mentioned that gold is very, very far away from the 200-week EMA. So there might be a very serious move downwards soon. So this you have to be very, very careful. Gold is very dangerous at the moment. The momentum is slowing down. The wicks is long. It might drop down. So far, all the pullbacks are quite mild. So it's prime for a very serious pullback. Do not buy gold. Dollar yen is okay, slowing down. It's not entirely slowed down yet. A lot of pressure here. it might find some support over here, if I'm not mistaken, as you can see here. So it might go down here, coincide with the support areas here, and also the 200 week EMA, then continue upwards. It might be. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, there's no right or wrong in the stock market or futures or currency or forex or the cryptos. Just follow the trend and let the momentum tell us whether the people are buying or selling, whether the momentum is strong or not. So if the momentum is very, very weak, then we can enter if the condition is right and at the strong support areas like this kind. These are support areas. If it goes down here and the momentum slows down, it's a valid entry. In fact, if it goes back all the way up, we're going to make a lot of money here. So yeah, it depends on how you trade the market. There's no right or wrong. Just make money in the market and minimize your losses. That's a very important thing. Tesla is still on the way downwards, but as you can see here, some of the candles looks like slowing down a little bit, but it might still continue downwards. This is a very strong pullback. This is a weekly chart that has been on a pullback since January. So for the past 4 months, 3 months plus, it's been on a downtrend. So let's see. What else should we see? Okay, Hang Seng we have already seen. Bitcoin already seen. Let's see Coinbase. Coinbase, yeah, very similar to the Bitcoin, so it's going downwards. What about this SoftBank Group? SoftBank Group is on the way downwards as well. Almost all the stocks that we can see here is on the downtrend, as well as some major currencies. They are also on the downtrend. Dollar yen, this dollar yen. Okay, so euro yen is having a rebound. See, this is what I say. Whenever the momentum slows down, there's a blast upwards. As you can see, a blast upwards. So if you can if you enter here, this might blast upwards as well, right? So if you're trying to enter at these critical areas like this is a very strong support area, as you can see. So when you try to enter around here, even if you enter in somewhere here, there's still a few months time going all the way up here, like very serious money here. But of course, if you you manage to enter here and it goes all the way up here, you're going to make a ton of money. So okay, I'll try not to make this one too long. So the conclusion for now is that the market is very red. There's a lot of fear on the market. A lot of people are running around with their hairs on fire. If you really need to cut your losses, cut your losses. Wait for a rebound before cutting it. And also, if you have holding power, you intend to hold it, you can hold it as well. It depends on yourself, actually. No one can give you a definite answer. So be safe out there. It's a very hell of a red market out here at the moment. So try not to panic and do not buy yet. The time to buy is not now. Maybe in the future when the momentum slows down, I might make another video. Then you might also leave some comments down there and ask me some about certain stocks or anything, an index or anything. Subscribe, share my video out, and also make sure you click on the bell button so you can get any future updates from me. And then check out my older videos as well. Okay, trade safe everyone.